ticket just to be an asshole.
Ah, you're such a pleasant man.
So are you.
What's up, YouTube? JC News Now. We got police. Let's go check them out. .306. Check person, it's wide open.
That's my thing. We just had some stunt, and I said, dude, I was about to go and be like, dude, and I started walking over to him and he drove off. And it's because they knew that I was gonna be like, get off the lot, like leave, respectfully, leave. But at the same time, I was like, I don't have time for it. So I appreciate you. I'm Michaela, or Baby Buddha. Nice to meet you. I also, if I give you a card, have a way to message me somehow, and let me know. If you have any ideas of places of where I should call, let me know. If you have no recommendations, I can take that too, and that's what I can take. Right. Now you're sure that they don't care, even though I used to ask for, I had Carney McDonald's until somebody was stupid up there. Okay. Now O'Reilly's did tell me that we can go there. We cruised to O'Reilly's, I know that for a fact. O'Reilly's did say that we can go there. I guess that's what it is, learning. So, fuck it. So, well, I guess we'll be on the road. Thank you, home. O'Reilly's. All right, so O'Reilly's on Carney. O'Reilly's on Carney.
Just if you bought something, just go into the line. All right, we appreciate that very much.
Y'all all right?
The business has got issues right now. There's too many people pretending to host here.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
And it's kind of screwed up for us.
I would want people in my parking lot.
They didn't have permission. We have it. They ruined it for the rest of us.
Yeah. That's a drag, man.
It sucks, but
It's what it is. I like your Burger King, Crown. So, too many people gathered, I guess. Look at this parking job. Not too great.
That means everybody gets through.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Somebody come through ripping through here earlier and fucked it up for everybody. They have permission to be here.
Yeah.
Everyone else doesn't.
I wonder if I'm trespassed from the property.
Doubtful. Why would we?
Yeah.
Why would we?
Right.
I mean, you and I anyway. What club is blue and white?
Banditos.
They're red and yellow.
Yeah.
The only one I can think of is the loners,
All right, maybe outlaws.
black and white.
Yeah.
Same with the Black Pistons, which is a farm club.
Yeah. Awesome. Way awesome.
It'd be fun.
Parking needs a little work. Oh, excuse me. Left his CAD wide open. Yeah, I guess we probably.
We'll go ahead and head that way. No big deal.
Yeah.
I bet that thing's fun too.
Yeah. Hell yeah. You know that's fun. You know that's fun. All right. Can't be hanging out in the parking lot, I guess. With that, I'm JC. Peace.
Are you guys related in some way?
I don't answer questions.
How are you involved? If you're not involved, move your vehicle off of the highway. If you're not involved, do not park there. You know that's not a legal parking spot. Leave.
I'm involved. I'm in the press.
Okay, you're not in the press. Leave.
What?
Leave.
Or what?
You're trespassing.
On what?
State ground. That's not a parking spot.
Public.
Okay, you cannot park there. I'm telling you, you can't park there. Leave.
Where can I park?
You can't.
We're press. We're here to film.
Arrest me if I don't.
No.
You want to arrest me?
Yes. I'll call it through.
Call it to me.
Okay. Get in your truck and leave.
No.
Get in your truck and leave.
You're going to arrest me if I don't?
Yes, I will. Get in your truck
Okay,
and
that's
leave.
all I need. What's your name and badge number?
You're trespassing.
Badge ID. Trespassing on a highway?
Get in your truck. You're trespassing. Leave.
Oh no, there's a dead dog here. There's a dead dog right here. Come on, Jim.